What's going on? My life will end. Can I TikTok on lebisa gore? Yeah, my life will end. Guys, I'm gonna use a charger. Get my charger. Okay. Yeah. 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 Hey guys, the questions, yeah. But what does Ubuntu mean to you? Writing is backwards. So how should I put it, guys? It's always going to be backwards. It's still the same thing. So, speak from your heart. What does Ubuntu mean to you? Ubuntu... Okay. Good day, judges. The question is, what does Ubuntu mean to you? Ubuntu to me. Okay. So, guys, I have to be serious. Let me see. What does Ubuntu mean to you? Ubuntu to me means humanity, right? Humanity in a sense of genuine love for your next neighbor, without the thought of ever getting something back. Without the expectation of getting something back. Ubuntu to me is people standing together behind things that are wrong. Now guys, in South Africa, I get it. You wanna make funny. What is your favorite verse? Psalm 18 verse 1, which says, I love you, O Lord, my strength. Also because number 18 is my birthday. So if you could change one thing about South Africa, what would it be? The one thing I would change about... No, I'm laughing at someone's comments, guys. I'm serious. The one thing I'll change about South Africa is definitely the corruption. Because I feel like being at the end of the economy chain has made me notice that even if I'm up on the economy chain, corruption does cripple South Africa. I believe that if things like corruption change in the world, other things will follow. Like unemployment will be better. Crime rates will be better. Show me, and it'll give I'm staging like my one judge. Like nala one that's the thing, guys. Nangas South Africa. Guys, they get trained to be serious and like to be right. But yo guys, nangas I know I never doubt myself, but like sometimes I'm realistic because I know like I'm anxiety, guys. I have serious anxiety because when I was on that stage, Big Brother, the time I was going in and the time I was going out, I was anxious. Yo guys, I was anxious. Yo, so what can be done to reduce youth unemployment? I would say something that can reduce youth unemployment would definitely be more jobs. I don't think it has anything to do with whatever age. It's a thing of there's not enough jobs. So the thing that is crippling and taking us down and making 21-year-olds to 30-year-olds jobless is the corruption that's happening in South Africa. Because bakorupti, like